Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go into Moodle, log in, you're going to come into this course here, and currently it looks a bit like this. It'll probably change by the time you are using it because I would have added more things here. So you want to download these files. So go through, download them all. And you're going to want to go into your OneDrive that you'll have as part of being at ARA. You're going to create a new folder, and I would call it NZFN400 with your name on it. Then you would want to go in here and create a new folder, templates. So we're just going to save our standard template files in here. As we work through the exercises, I recommend you put a new folder for, say, we do a squared around. Etc, etc. Just so we're keeping everything separate. Makes it a lot less confusing when you have a lot of parts in here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the PC. I'm going to go back here, PC, downloads, and we should have these templates here that we just downloaded. I'm going to cut those, go back into OneDrive. Mine's a bit busier than yours is probably going to be because of all my work saved on here. Go into templates, and we're just going to paste all those templates in there. So this is Windows 11, so it might look slightly different, but you're just right clicking and then you can go cut and paste. So once we've got these templates in here, we can open up Inventor Professional. So if it's your first time opening it, you might have to go in the search bar and search for Inventor Professional. 2023 English is what we want. So I've already got open here. And you should be greeted with a page similar to this. It's going to have a banner over the front of it. It's going to say start working or start learning. This is if it's your first login. So you want to go start working, and then what you'll get here is a page something like this, and we'll have projects on it. So you want to go, and what we want to do is we want to open that projects dialog box. We're going to go new single user project, and project name, you can just call it your name. And we're going to click on these three dots here. We're going to go find that folder you just made. There it is. And just leave that folder highlighted like that. Go OK. Next. And finish. So there's our new project we've got. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the folder options. See, right now they're all default. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this one. Right click it and go edit. Click on that bar at the end. And I'm going to go all the way back up here and find my folder I just made. That one there. Templates. Just make sure the templates folder is highlighted. I'm going to go OK. And that is everything we need to do there. So let's go done. Save changes. Yes. So now if we look in our files here, we should go up one step and we have a project file here. So that's all we need to do to get started, just setting everything up. And the reason we do that is OneDrive, you can go from computer to computer, and when you're going to go File, New, you're going to get all the right templates here. So when we're starting our drawings. One thing to note is when you change between computers, that you open it up, and this might come as in default. So you might have to drop that down and go back to your project file you just created, find it. If it's not in there, you'll have to go into settings here and look for it. And if you don't do that, you're gonna get it saved all over the place. So just make sure when you come into Inventor that